right? So the grammar is S star is open bracket T close bracket and S star is then T star is T comma S or S. Now you consider this grammar, right? First step is you have to write augmented grammar. So you have to write augmented grammar. Augmented grammar is here you have to consider the start symbol and you have to write a start symbol dash there is start yes, right? Then you have to write all other grammar. Yes, there is single alternative. Yes, there is T, then yes, there is A, then T there is T comma yes, T there is yes, right? Now this is augmented grammar. So this grammar is G dash. This is G. Our grammar G. This is G dash. Now here now you have to find out set of LR1 item. The previous one is LR0 item in the SLR parsing. Now here we have to find out a set of LR1 item. Set of LR1 item. We are going to find out set of LR1 item. Right? The previous one is LR0 item. Now we are going to see LR1 item. Is it audible? Can you see that window? Please unmute. Any one of you talk with me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here we are going to see that one. You are going to start now. Anybody is having difficulty, then you inform me, right? Just you unmute and you talk with me. Okay. Now, first step is how do you find out that one? As here, you have to go for yes dash. There is you put dot as like that previous one dot yes, and then you have to find out lookahead. That lookahead is here because of the start symbol. The lookahead is here. You have to consider this one as dollar. At the end, the lookahead is dollar. Right now, here we have to go for another one format. Right now, you have to consider the production rules as here alpha dot b beta. So this is alpha dot b beta comma a, right? So this is actually this b is matched with after dot we are having a non-terminal, right? So this is b. Then whatever afterwards after the non-terminal you consider is beta. So here beta is empty now, right? Comma, the comma is matched with that comma. Then this is lookahead. So lookahead is here dollar, right? Now you have to consider that format. Now here you have to derive that one dot s. Because of the dot s, you have to write this two production rule, right? So these two production rule you have to write it as s derives open bracket t close bracket. Then s derives a. You have to put dot in front of that one as like the previous SLR only. Now we are going to find out lookahead, right? Now the lookahead, how do you find out that one? You have to consider this format alpha dot b beta comma a, right? Now the lookahead is nothing but first of beta a, first of beta concatenate with a. First of beta a, right? Now you join these two, beta and a joined to these two. Which one is first, right? Here beta is empty, so the first is dollar only. So here you have to put dollar only. Once again, I will tell that one. So here, now we are going to expand. After that, we are having a non-terminal. Now we have to expand. Then you have to use this production rule of that yes. So for this is yes production rule, right? So this is that right hand side, left hand side we are having yes. So you have to take these two production rule and write it, and you put dot in front of right hand side leftmost. Then you have to put comma on both one. Then you are going to find out the look ahead. So this is called look ahead. How do you find out the look ahead is where we are derived from. On that one, you have to apply that form, right? So here the B is matched with that non-terminal. Then next coming whatever it is theta, then comma matched with that same comma. Then we are having look ahead T, right? Now you join these two as you concatenate these two. Now here using that one, what is the first symbol? Here this is empty, so the first symbol is dollar only. So you take the dollar on both, right? Now this is I naught. This is I naught. If you are having doubt, you can stop me and ask me, then I will tell that one. So this is I naught, right? Then next, the same way, I naught is going to be expanded. So you're going to be find out code 2, all possible code 2. From I naught, first one is after that we are having non-terminal yes. So you take that one, non-terminal yes, right? Now here whatever it is, just you write it and you move the dot only. One step is here, you have to move your dot here, then as it is whatever it is there, you write it, right? Here after dot nothing is there, so you stop that one. This is I1, right? Next we are having I naught comma open bracket, photo I naught comma open bracket, right? Now just you have to take this and you have to move dot after open bracket. So here we are getting now yes there is open bracket dot t close bracket and put dollar, right? Now here after that if you are having non-terminal t, so we have to expand it non-terminal t. So this non-terminal t is there, so you have to expand. For the t we are having two alternatives. So here we are having that one t derives t comma s and t derives s, right? Now we are going to find out look ahead. We are going to find out look ahead. You put dot in front of here. Now we have to find out the look ahead. Now here you see you apply the same format alpha b theta, right? So here you have to apply that one. This is alpha dot is matched with this non-terminal p. So theta is here close bracket. Then here we are having a is dollar, right? Now you combine that close bracket and dollar. The close bracket is coming as first of symbol. So you have to take that close bracket and put on both production row. Now you see this one, here we are having, after that we are having t. So the t is going to be, once again you have to repeat. Instead of repeating that one, now you find out the look ahead for this case, you add that one. Here, in that case, the look ahead is, here actually what actually we have to do is, because of that after dot you are having t, once again you have to write, right? So here you have to write that one as t, there is t comma s and t derives yes, then you have to put dot in front of, right? Now you are going to find out look ahead, right? So in this case the look ahead is, in this case the look ahead is here alpha dot b beta, right? So here look ahead, sorry, I have to put, we have to put here alpha, this is only you are deriving alpha b beta, comma A, right? Now in this way, the beta is comma. So you have to include that comma as a lookahead, right? Instead of expanding further, you put that comma here itself, right? So now you remove that one. Are you able to understand now or not?
Sir, Pranav sir.
Tell me.
Sir, beta is yes, sir.
Beta is comma yes. Beta is actually string of grammar symbol, right? I already told you that one. Alpha, beta, comma is alpha, beta, comma. That is representation of string of grammar symbol. Alpha, beta, comma. Right? So this is B is matched with P. Then whatever after coming is beta. So this is beta. Correct?
Okay.
This is A, right? Now, by this way, actually, after that we are having T, we are going to expand as T derives T comma S dot T derives S dot S. Then now we are going to find lookahead. So lookahead you have to where we are deriving from. This is you are deriving. Now by this way you are getting now comma, right? Comma is a lookahead. So the comma you have to, right? Now you merge these two. To merge these two is just we are having as it is. Now you have to use that the lookahead is either close bracket or comma. So the meaning is close bracket or comma. Are you able to understand now?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Anybody? Once again I write, then you can easily follow. Right? You see that. Here now you are going to start with I naught comma open bracket, right? So you are getting from this one, right? So because of that, after that we are having this one after comma, right? So here what actually you have to write, you have to take as it is and you have to move the dot after open bracket. This is the steps. Is there is open bracket dot T close bracket comma the dollar, right? So you have to move that one. Now because of the T, now you have to expand, you have to take that one as T derives T comma S, right? So here how do you do that one? You have to take that one T derives T comma S, T derives yes, you put a dot in front of, and now we are going to find out lookahead. So for finding lookahead, where you derive from, you take that one. Here this is B, this is beta, this is comma, this is A, right? Now the beta and A combined together, the first symbol is the close bracket. So you have to take that close bracket on both. So this is derived from, right? Now here after that, if you are having T, so once again you have to expand actually. After that we are having T, right? Once again you have to expand. What you will get now, T derives T comma S. So T is that alternative. So you have to take that alternative. T derives T comma S. You have to put a dot in front of. Now we are going to find out lookahead. So we are deriving from here only. So you have to take from this one, you have to find out lookahead. B, this is beta, this is A, right? Now beta is comma S. So beta is comma is this is A, right? You combine these two, comma is the first symbol. So you have to take this comma, right? Now actually, instead of writing this one, just you have to write that one as the same one is repeated. You have to put close bracket or comma, close bracket or comma, right? So here you can remove that one. So no need to write once again. Just you have to take that lookahead only. You remove this one. Okay. Now here after that we are having yes. After that we are having yes. Now you have to expand that yes. You have to expand that yes is yes there is open bracket T close bracket. So here we are having for that yes we are having two alternatives. So yes there is open bracket, then yes there is A dot, right? Now the lookahead is here you have to find out the lookahead alpha dot, this is B, this is beta, this is A, right? So beta is empty. So A is close or dollar. So that one is going to come as look at for here also. So close or comma, right? So here also you have to write close or comma, right? Here after dot we are having terminal only. So you stop that one. So this is I2. This is I2, right? Now here we have to continue. Right. Now we have to continue now. For I naught, we are having open bracket is over, then I naught comma A. So we have to consider this I naught comma A, right? So now here you what we have to do is here yes test. So you have to write that one. Go to I naught comma A. Go to I naught comma A. Go to I naught comma A. So you will get now yes there is A dot comma dollar, right? So this comma is separation. It's not a symbol, right? For us, this is dollar, right? Now we are having this one. Now here there is no further expansion here because after dot nothing is there. So you take this as I3. Next from I1 there is no moves, right? Dot, this is separator. This is not a symbol. Dot, right? So here we are having after dot nothing is there. So now we have to go for I2 comma. Go to I2 comma T. Go to I2 comma T, right? So this one. So because of the T, we are having two possible alternatives, right? So here you write that two possible alternative and you have to move that T only. So you put dot. So whatever it is, you write that one. Just you are moving the dot. T there is D dot comma S separator. Then we are having close or plus. Close or comma. This is a symbol, close symbol, right? Now here we are having that one. ST, nothing is there. So you can't expand that one because of that after dot we are having only terminals. So this is I4, right? This is I4. The next step is here T is over, then yes. You take that yes. Go to I2 comma yes. Go to I2 comma yes. So here we are getting now T derives yes dot, right? Here we are having close comma. Here also there is no further expansion. So you take that one as I5. Next we are having I2 comma open bracket. So we are going to find out, go to I2 comma open bracket. Now what you are getting now, S star is open bracket dot T close bracket. Now that lookagat is here, close and comma, right? Now this is different from I2. Why it is? Here we are having dollar. Here we are having dollar. Now here we are having changing that lookagat. So you have to take this as new one, not equal to I2. This is new one. You have to do the same process, repeat now. After dot T, so you have to expand the T. Expand the T is, here we are having T derives T comma S, T derives T comma S, or T derives S. We are having two alternative. You put dot in front of, right? Now we are going to find out lookagat. So lookagat is here, you are getting now alpha, B, beta, comma, right? By this way, you are getting now close, right? Now here we are having after that we are having once again T. No need to write that one. By this way, you are getting now comma. So here you have to put comma here. Put comma, right? Now after that we are having yes. So you have to expand that yes also. Yes, there is open bracket T close bracket. Yes, there is A. Now you put dot in front of, and now we are going to find out lookagat. The lookagat is here. Now yes, so this beta is empty. So the lookagat is here also, close bracket and a comma, close bracket and comma, close bracket and a comma, right? Now this is another state as I6. Because of the lookagat is changing, right? So here the lookagat is taller, here the lookagat is this one, right? So here this is change. So you have to deal with separate state, right? So here because of these changes, this one, here we are having that one. So here you have to consider these two as separate state. Now okay, then here we are having close. Right, this is I6. Okay. Now here we are having I6. Next one, what's the next step? Here I2 comma close bracket, then I2 comma A. So yes, there is A dot. So go to I2 comma A. Now this one is actually yes, there is A dot. Then as it is close bracket and a comma. This is separate state I7 because here the lookagat is different. So here we are having dollar, here we are having this one. So you have to deal with a separate state. Next, I2 comma A is over, then I2 comma I3 comma nothing is there. So after that nothing is there, right? After that nothing is there. So no need to expand. So I4 comma close bracket. So go to I4 comma close bracket. I4 comma close bracket. Now this one. So you have to write that one as yes, there is open bracket dot close bracket. You have to put dot in front of, then sorry dot after it, right? So here we have to put it now. So you move your close bracket, and so this one, the dot is moved to after that one, right? Then comma, here we are having dollar only, right? Here there is no further expansion. So you close it, put the dollar after properly. Right, so dot here, right? So now this is actually I8 new state, right? Nothing is there already. So this is I8. Next we are having, this is over. Next this one, I4 comma. So go to I4 by symbol comma. Go to I4 symbol comma. So you have to write as it is, then you have to move your dot after comma. Move your dot after comma, then put yes, here, close bracket and comma, right? Now here we are having, after that we are having yes, so you have to expand. So now you have to expand that one as here, yes, there is open bracket T close bracket, yes, there is A, right? Now the lookagat is here. Here this is B, theta is empty. So whatever lookagat here, that same lookagat is follow here, right? So here open bracket, comma, open bracket, comma, right? Now this is here t derives t dot comma s. So that one is t derives t dot comma s, nothing in anywhere else. T derives t dot comma s. Okay, t dot comma s is separate one. So this is I 9. Right here after that we are having terminal only, no expansion here. I9, right? So now I4 comma, then we are having I4 comma over, then I4 comma over, then I5 nothing is there, then I6 comma T. Go to I6 comma T. I will write that one. Right. Here I6 comma T is, see that one. Go to I6 comma, here I6 comma T. So we are having two places are there, right? So now you have to take these two places. So here now, after that we are having this one and this one. So you have to do that two as it is I6 comma here T, I6 comma T, right? Here we are having S there is open bracket D dot close bracket, then close or comma, then here we are having T there is T dot comma yes, T dot comma yes, then here the lookagat is close and comma, right? So here already we are having now, but that lookagat is different, right? So this is lookagat, this is lookagat. So here now we have to do that one as this is I10. So you put that status I10. This is I10, right? Now we'll go for the next step. I4, I6 comma T is over, then I6 comma yes. Go to I6 comma yes. So we are getting now T derives S dot close comma. T derives S dot close comma is there, right? So this is I5. So no need to go for new state. So this is I5 only. Then I6 comma open bracket. Go to I6 comma open bracket, right? So the same one is repeated now. I6 comma open bracket. So here I6 comma open bracket. Once again repeat the same. So no need to go for new one. You put I6, right? So next one is I6 comma A. I6 comma A. Go to I6 comma A. This one is actually I7. I6 comma A is I7. Now here I6 over, then I7, I7 no moves, right? I8 no moves. So I9 comma S. Go to I9 comma S. Go to I9 comma S. So what you will get now? T there is T comma S, T comma S dot comma close comma, right? So this is I11, right? Next is here we are having open bracket. So that open bracket, that one is here we are going to have that one I20, right? So anything else missing? I7 over, then I8 nothing is there. Then I9 we are having that one as yes. So we have to move. Then okay, I11 nothing is there. 1 minute. I10 comma close. What's that one? I10. Okay. So here I9. I9 is here. I suppose here we are having. Next one is go to I9 comma open bracket. Is repeat, right? So go to I9 comma open bracket. So this one is here, if you are having that one, I6 only. I6 only. Then go to I9 comma A. Go to I9 comma A. Right? So this is I7. Right? Now here I10. You take that I10 and this I10 and we are having open bracket, right? So here we are having I10 and close bracket. I10 and close bracket. So you write it. Go to I10 and close bracket. Now we are getting now ester is open bracket P close bracket after dot. We are having comma. This one is close bracket or comma, right? So this is I12. This is I12. Next we are having I10 comma I10 comma comma, right? So that one is I am going to write here. Just you take that one, right? So here now where we can write now the end, right? So I remove that one. Sorry. Now this one is here, the last one. Here we have to write that one as go to I10 comma comma. Go to I10 comma this one, right? So here actually this one I10 comma, right? So 10 comma is we are having that one as T, there is T comma, that one is repeat this one, right? I9, correct? 9 or I10. So here T there is T comma S. So this one is T comma S start. So this is I9, right? From I10 there is no I11, there is no further move. So here in that I11 there is no further move. Then I12 there is no further move. So you stop that one. The last one is this one. You stop that one. That is I10 comma is I9, right? So now you close it. Now we are going to construct a table. Sorry, here I fill that one. Okay, now we are having how to okay, fine. I remove that one, right? Okay. Now you see this one. Here we are going to fill the table, right? Now see that one. How do you fill that one? Now the same way you have to fill that one. Just we are having now I naught comma S is one, right? So here, any doubt on that one? Shall I continue? Only 5 minutes. Any one of you? Are you able to follow now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here we are having I naught comma 1, right? So this one is, now I'll put now. Let's see that. Okay. Now I naught comma this one, you click that one. I naught comma S is 1, right? So here you have to fill with 1. Okay, I naught comma S is 1, so you have to put that one. Yes, right? Please here unmute. So somebody is unmute and sound is coming. Pala Aditya, please mute yourself. Okay. Now here you see this one. You first one I naught comma S. So you got, next one I naught comma open bracket 2. So here open bracket you have to put S2, right? Next one here I naught comma A 3, right? So you put that one S3, right? Next one we are having I2 comma T is 4. I2 comma T is 4 now, right? Then here we are having now that one as I2 comma T. Next over, then I2 comma S. S is 5. So you have to put 5 here, right? Then here we are having I2 that over, then I2 comma open bracket S6. Open bracket here we are having S6 I2. Then I2 comma A7. So you put S7 here. Next we are having I4 comma close bracket 8. I4 comma close bracket is 8. Yes, 8. Right? Then I4 comma S9. Right? Then we are having I4 is over. Then I6 comma T. Right? I6 comma T is 10. I6 comma T is 10. So you put 10 here. Next one I6 comma S is 5. Next we are having I6 comma open bracket is S6. Next we are having I6 comma A is S7, right? Then I9 comma S is
Sir, I6 come open bracket, sir.
I6 comma open bracket is sorry close bracket la pottana 1 minute. So here we are having S6 is here, right? Then I6 comma A, I6 comma A is S7, S7, right? Then here we are having I9 comma S is 11, I9 comma S is 11, right? Then I9 comma open bracket is S6, S6, right? Then I10 comma close bracket is S12, right? Then I10 comma is I10 comma is I9, S9. right? Now this is over. Then now we are going to fill that reduce, right? I already told you that one here $1, right? $1 always you put accept. $1 you have to put accept. This is for all cases. We are having $1 is accept, right? Here you have to write accept, right? Then here now you have to go for reduce action. We are going to fill now, right? So now reduce action where we have to fill, we see that one. Now you see this one here, first one, because of this one we are putting end dollar, right? So the dot at the end, then we are having dollar. So in that dollar you are putting now. So $1 we are doing now accept. So this is we are having accept, right? Next you find out the dot at the end. So in that I3 we are having, right? Now you see this one, in that look ahead you have to fill with the production rule number, right? So what's the production rule number? This is 4, right? S star is A is production rule number 4, right? So S star is open bracket T close bracket is 1, S star is A is 2, sorry, S star is A is 2. The production rule number is 2. So you have to fill R2 in the state I3, you have to fill R2, right, in dollar. So here in state I3, you have to fill that one. So here you have to fill with R2, right? Next one, here I4 nothing is there. In I5 we are having dot at the end, right? So now you take this one. So this is fourth production rule, right? So you have to fill R4 with close and comma. So here we are having the status I5. So in the state I5, you have to fill with comma and close. This is R4, right? Then here next I6 nothing is there. Then I7. So we are having this one, right? So this is second production rule, R2. Here close and comma. Put 7, right? So in that 7 close comma and comma. So you have to fill with R2. We have to fill with R2. Next one, here 7 over then 8. So this was R1. So you have to fill R1 in dollar the state 8. So in the state 8 you have to fill with R1. Next one is over 8 over, then 9 nothing is there, in 10 nothing is there, then in 11 you have to fill with R3. So in 11 so this is R3. So you have to fill with R3 in 11. So 11 you have to fill with R3 in close and come, right? Sorry, close போட மாட்டேனா. Okay, 1 minute. Close போட மாட்டேன். So this is actually R2, this is R2, right? Then I8 is dollar only, right? In I8 we are having dollar. So I8 is this one R2. Correct or not? I7. Okay. I7 is correct. I8 is here. You have to put now. So this one. Here I8. So this is R1. So R1 is here. Next one. Here 8 is over. Then I9 nothing is there. I10 nothing is there. Then I11. I11 is R3. Right. So here you are having now. I11 is R3. So here we have to put I11 R3 in close. So here we are having R3 is this one and this one R3. Then I12 also here we are having I11. You put that I12. In that I12 also we are having R1 with close plus then here, right? So here we are having R1. This is R1. This is R1. Right? Now this is the table. Right? The table we are going to use for parsing. Right? The same process is repeated now. That's all. Right? Here we are having this table. The table is having more than the number of states. Right? Now you go through that one. Right? You understand now. If you are having any doubt, you can ask now. Right? If you don't have doubts, then you can leave and you can put attendance on the WhatsApp. If you are having doubts, you can ask.
சார்
சொல்லுங்க.
இல்ல சார் சின்ன டவுட் சார். ஸ்டார்டிங்ல ஒரு ரூல் சொல்லியிருந்தேன் சார். ஆல்பா பீட்டா பிஏபின்னு சொல்லி. டாலர்
யா
அது ஒண்ணு மட்டும் தான் புரியல சார். டாலர் எப்போ போடணும்னு சொன்னீங்க தானே சார். அது கொஞ்சம் புரியல சார்.
இல்ல இனிஷியலா இங்க வந்து என்ன பண்ணோம், ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும்போது you see that one, in that case start symbol dot s and put dollar, right? So எப்போதுமே ஸ்டார்ட் சிம்பிளுக்கு வரும்போது எண்ட்ல இருக்குது டாலர் தான் இருக்கும். லுக்காகட் வந்து அடுத்து வர சிம்பிள் வந்து நம்ம ஒரு இப்போ இத நம்ம ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணோம் இல்லையா, ஏ கமா ஏ ஏ டாலர், ரைட்? இது ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணும்போது கடைசியில் என்ன வரும், இந்த ஸ்டார்ட் சிம்பிளுக்கு தான் வந்து நிற்கும். அந்த ஸ்டார்ட் சிம்பிளுக்கு அடுத்து வருது இன்னும் வருது டாலர் தான் வருது, ரைட்டா? அதனால அந்த டாலரை வந்து நம்ம வந்து வச்சு ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம். ஸோ இங்க வந்து ஸ்டார்டிங்ல இதுதான் ப்ரொசீஜர். ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு புட் தட் ஸ்டார்ட் சிம்பிள் கமா, தென் யூ ஹாவ் டு ஸ்டார்ட் வித் தட் லுக் அட். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஃபர்தரா ப்ராபகேட் பண்ணிட்டு தட்ஸ் ஆல்.
ஓகே சார்.
ரைட்?
புரியுது.
ஓகே. எனி அதர் டவுட்ஸ்? Any other doubts you can ask now. Any other doubts?